On this channel, we focus a lot on self-custody because we all know that decentralized exchanges are not meant for us to custody our crypto. So in today's video, I'll show you how to set up your Tangem Wallet on your mobile device. As many of you seen, I did a video on Tangem Wallet, but now that it has arrived, let's set it up and let's see if it's really that easy to use as they claim. So let's quickly go over what Tangem Wallet is before we set it up. Tangem Wallet is a car-styled crypto hardware wallet with a chip that works with your cell phone, and the private key is generated when you create a new wallet. The key never leaves your chip once it's activated, so the card only works with your PIN, so you and only you can access your cryptocurrencies. There is no seed phrase to write down, nobody knows it, not even you. Some people might think this is a pro, some people might think this is a con. Please let me know down in the comments, what do you think? So all you need is your phone, your PIN, and your card in order to access your crypto. Your backup cards are your seed. So you make sure you don't lose them, make sure you store them in a nice and secure place so that you know where they are in case you need them. As mentioned in my previous video, Tangem is DeFi compatible that works with 100 different decentralized exchanges with the help of Wallet Connect. A lot of people would love this feature to find those small crypto coins that are not listed on big centralized exchanges. So they will use these decentralized exchanges such as Uniswap, Curve, Compound, and so many other ones, PancakeSwap, in order to buy those small cap cryptocurrencies that are not available on big exchanges such as Coinbase and Binance, for instance. Another big feature about Tangem Wallet, it supports over 2,500 different cryptocurrencies, and it's fairly priced. It's right under $50. The cards are also IP68 rated, which basically means you can bury them, you can go swim with them, and they'll work just fine. And the most important thing that I almost forgot to mention, which is very important, is that Tangem Wallet is an open source code and is available on GitHub in case you have issues with your app on the App Store. As we see here, we have our Tangem Wallet box. It comes in a nice looking box. At the front, it says Tangem Simply Secure. If we flip it to the back, your security is our priority, the highest certification level among direct competitors, firewall audited by the world's top laboratory, and the only hardware wallet with the highest possible rated protection against environmental conditions. Learn more at tangem.com. So it says pull here, so let's go ahead and pull this side and see what we got inside. Oh wow, interesting. So once we pull this side, let's set this aside, we pull this side also opens up. On this side we have our cards, and right here on the left we have our get started, so basically some instructions. Let's go ahead and set this down, and let's pull out our phone and let's try to set this wallet up. Now that we have our phone ready, we have our cards here, we have the instructions here. Let's follow these instructions in order to activate this wallet. First thing he wants us to do is go to the official website of Tangem, which is tangem.com/start. So if we go down to their official website, it opens up the web browser for their site, and we can go all the way down to the bottom and download our application. In my instance, it's iOS. As we can also see, they're compatible with Android. So let's go ahead and download the app, and let's see what happens after the download happens. I'm assuming, since I have two cards in my scenario, I'm assuming it does not matter which card I scan first, which card I scan second. My assumption is whichever card I scan first, that becomes my primary card, and whichever card I scan second, it's my second card, which basically means my backup card. Remember, you have options where you can get 3 cards or 2 cards. My scenario is 2 cards, 1 primary, 1 backup. So let's just pick this one up, and first step it wants us to do is to scan a card. It shows on the upper side of the phone, so we'll go ahead and tap the card, and let's go ahead and do that. Once we do that, it basically gives us our legal disclaimer. So Now it wants us to create a wallet. Let's generate all the keys on your cards to create a secure wallet. So let's go ahead. So basically what's going to happen now, when I tap it, it's going to generate that key to this specific wallet. Let's go ahead and tap it and let's go from there. I don't know if this case that I have on, is it preventing it, or should I maybe switch it all the way? Okay, there we go. I think that's what we need. Okay, hold it up. Okay. Now the wallet has scanned backup wallet. Okay, so this is our primary card. We're going to go ahead and set it here. And let's get our backup card and let's set up the backup card. So let's go ahead and click on backup now. No backup card, start the backup process, add card. So if we come here, add the backup card, and let's flip it over. Okay, that was fairly quick. One backup card added. You can add one more card to finalize the backup process. I mentioned in my scenario, I only have two cards, my primary and my secondary. So let's go ahead and finalize the backup process. Click here, warning, you added one backup card. Yes, I'm aware of that. Continue. Create access code. Protect, you have to set up a single access code to protect all your wallets. Let's go ahead and hit continue. Once we hit continue, as we can see here, you can choose a word or it can be a number. So basically this will be your PIN number to access this particular wallet. So I'm going to move my phone to the side and let's choose something as this PIN for this particular card. Now that I have created my PIN, we have a primary card and it has our number. So basically it shows the last four numbers on the card, so we know this is our primary card. It's asking us to scan the primary card, so we're going to hit scan primary card and go ahead and scan it again. Oh, as we can see, we have a timer of 15 seconds where we have to hold it here, and it's activating this primary card. I'm pretty sure it's going to ask us to do the same thing with the secondary card, but we'll wait and see. Okay, let's move the card away. Backup card, okay, yeah, same thing. So same, make sure that the numbers match. So if you have three cards, basically it will tell you the card number, and then card number will also show on the screen, so you know which one is your primary, which one is your backup. So let's go ahead and scan the card number one. Let's hold it there, 15 seconds again, and as you can see, I'm not having any issues with my iPhone's cover being on. Now that we have scanned both cards, it's asking us, would you like to use your Face ID or access code? Basically, I'm just going to use access code, so you have allow us to use Face ID or don't allow. So I'm going to go ahead and don't allow. And there we have it, successful. Let's go ahead and continue to my wallet. And basically that's what we have. We have our wallet. We can see we have two cards. It's indicating that we have two cards here. And we have Ethereum and Bitcoin. Now that we want to add Cardano, it's asking us to scan the card. So every time we add a coin, we're going to have to scan the card. Once we scan the card, basically what we have here is it added Cardano. Let's go ahead and try to add another coin, XRP, and again we have selections where we can select the XRP main chain or Binance chain or Ethereum chain. This is very interesting. It gives you actually a lot of options to select the chains. This is very nice. So let's stick with the original one, save changes, access code again. and we have to scan our card, and there we have it. We added XRP. So very interesting wallet, very cool. Everything is done in one place with this particular wallet. Buy, sell, exchange, all is done through here. You have your cards here, your primary card, your secondary card in my scenario, but if you opt out for 3 cards, you basically have 1 primary card and 2 backup cards. Now that we are at the end of this Tangem Wallet video, just remember, there is no trust in crypto space right now. You cannot trust any exchange or any platform to hold your crypto. There's a lot of stuff happening these days where exchanges are going down, banks are going under, and you and only you can take action in order to protect your own crypto. Be a custodian of your own crypto assets. And I believe Tangem can be that solution where we can store our cryptocurrency safely. I hope you found this video helpful on how to set up your Tangem wallet. Make sure you like the content, make sure you subscribe to the channel, follow us for more crypto content in the future.